Well, Rhythm, Anand Bhardwaj and Anuj both are joining us live on the broadcast. Quickly going across to Rhythm first, because is this just the beginning, Rhythm? Because the angle that were being investigated into Sushant's death, more and more investigation taking place by the NCB, and there has been whole new facets that has now been explored, especially in the drug mafia angle and how active it is in the Bollywood film industry.
Absolutely. Let's tell our viewers right in the morning we are breaking down and giving you great details about how Shouvik Chakravarti's name is cropping up in the in this particular probe by the Narcotics Bureau. Now, we've been told two things, and I'm just going to go across to them. Yesterday, there were two people who were arrested, Amitabh Zayed as well as Abdul Bashir. The one thing we know for clear is Shouvik Chakravarti had contacts from whom he was procuring drugs. The second thing that the Narcotics Bureau has pinpointed is not only were drugs being consumed, but drugs were also being procured. The third thing is on 17th March 2020, from Shouvik Chakravarti's called records, there are very clear details about how he got in touch with Zayed, how drugs were procured. 10,000 rupees is the amount that he had said he will give for 5 grams of drugs, and then that amount was given. Zayed very clearly has now spilled the beans to the Narcotics Bureau and clearly said that yes, he admits that this money exchanged hands, and he had also said Samuel Miranda's name also crops up for the very first time in drug dealings, and he says that during that during interrogation he's also disclosed he paid 10,000 and he handed over 5 grams to 2 people. And remember, this all comes at a location that reveals Zayed and Samuel Miranda were in the same location on 17th March 2020. What is the basis of this? First, Shouvik Chakravarti's name now crops up in the drug deals, and it's very clear that he had 2 contacts. That means the Narcotics Bureau is going to really probe him on this. Secondly, the PR interviews that were given by Riya Chakravarti when she said Shouvik Chakravarti does not have a job. How is it that he was making these payments for drug consumption and drug procurement from drug peddlers if indeed he did not have a job? Third point that is very clear, Samuel Miranda was also brought into this. These chats that have been revealed from drug peddlers very clearly show Shouvik had 2 contacts, which means this was something he did for a very long time. It was done systematically. So the Narcotics Bureau's crackdown only just beginning, but we have been told very systematically the way they are working. They are looking at the largest syndicate drug mafia network that continues to work in Bollywood.
All right, going across to Anuj now, because Anuj, doing that sting operation, tell our viewers about the experience you had, and especially reaching out to those 2 drug peddlers in which we stung in that operation. How easy was it to procure drugs in a very short amount of time, and especially when they say that there can be doorstep delivery of those hard drugs?
Well, exactly. We have done the sting operation in which we are clearly showing it how this is easy, very much easy to get drugs, or rather cocaine or whatsoever you are looking for. And the biggest thing is, as you pointed it out very rightly, that this is that much easy that it can be delivered to your doorstep. So that's something what we stung in there, and that's something what we are understanding from these peddlers, where they were saying to me that yes, they are very okay with arranging the parties also. They can get as much stuff as you want, so they call it stuff. So they were talking about any kind of drug you want. They were talking about the white stuff, they were talking about cocaine, they were talking about other drugs. They were saying and making it very much clear that this is very much easily available. I just have to give them 1 hour time, and in 1 hour time they can arrange anything. And when I talked to them about the cocaine, then also they were saying it is not at their place, they have to get it from somewhere, but it can be arranged easily. So that is something what we are understanding when we are talking about this drug nexus on which NCB is working, and we are seeing how the things have been cracked by the NCB, how the 2 arrests have been done if we talk about Sushant Singh Rajput's case. So this is all related, and the dots has been connected by NCB also, that how this nexus is working in Mumbai, and how this is somewhat related to the Bollywood personalities also. Because there in the sting operation, when I was talking to these guys, I was telling them very clearly that I am going to arrange arrange a party, or rather we'll be organizing a party in which some Bollywood actors or personalities will be invited. I can't name them, but they will be there. So they were telling it to me very clearly. They have been doing it earlier also. This is very easy for them. So this is something which is very, very important to look into the things, and that is something, the angle in which NCB is looking, how these drug peddlers are giving drugs and how the drugs are very much easily available on the streets of Mumbai. So that is something what we are breaking at this point in time, that the doorstep delivery they were promising.
Is this the biggest nexus of the drug cartel that has been exposed? It raises even more questions. It is just the beginning, or there is more to it? Is it just limited to Shouvik Chakraborty, or there is more to it? It is just limited to Mumbai city, or it goes beyond that? So there are several questions that can be raised, and as we continue to put forth those incriminating evidences that the link that is now coming with Shouvik Chakraborty, according to those alleged drug peddlers who have named him, this is just where it begins as far